Welcome to the world of gadgets. On this channel, you'll discover 10 awesome, innovative products that are going to make your life easier and happier. Spring is coming, and we all know what that means. The days are getting longer, the sun is shining brighter, and it's time to get your home spring ready. Here are our top 10 favourite spring cleaning gadgets that will help not only keep your house clean, but also save you some time this season. This list includes everything from a robot cleaner to a laundry lasso. So no matter what kind of housekeeping challenge you're up against, there's something here for you. Stay with us till the end because you're not going to believe what made it to number 1. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. 10. Magic Wiper Squeegee Window Cleaner. You're tired of having to clean your windows with a cloth and bucket. It's time-consuming, messy, and you never get the glass completely clean. The revolutionary new Magic Wiper Squeegee is so simple anyone can use it. It's an all-in-one tool that cleans your windows without streaks or spots in just seconds. It's so easy to use. Just push the button and wipe. No more rags, no more buckets of dirty water. This is truly a magic wiper. And because it's reusable, you can save money by not having to buy replacement cloths every few months. Cleaning your windows has never been easier than with our revolutionary new Magic Wiper Squeegee. Order your own Magic Wiper Squeegee today for only £10.99. 9. Joseph Palm Scrub Soap Dispensing Brush. Hate doing dishes? Imagine having an easy way to clean all of your pots and pans without any effort at all. With this palm scrub, you can quickly remove food from even the toughest messes with just a few quick swipes. Plus, it comes with its own built-in soap dispenser, so you don't have to worry about spilling soap every time you wash something. Get the Joseph Palm Scrub today for £8.40 and stop wasting your precious time and energy on tedious tasks. 8. Techson Standing Glass Washer. Washing glasses and cups can be a tough task, especially with tea and coffee residue or the hard-to-reach places. Say goodbye to this hassle with the Techson Standing Glass Washer, an innovative new product that makes cleaning all the hard-to-reach places on your glasses, cups or bottles quick and easy. The suction cup installation allows for hands-free operation, while the double-sided brush ensures every inch is cleaned thoroughly, saving you a ton of energy. This revolutionary product is portable and lightweight, amazing for customers with limited counter space. Purchase one today for £10.39. 7. GrillBot GB102. You love to grill but hate cleaning the grill afterwards? It's a messy and time-consuming process that you dread every time you use your barbecue. Imagine having a robot that cleans your barbecue for you. GrillBot will clean all of the grease and grime from your barbecue in just 20 minutes, so it looks like new again. All you have to do is set it up on the grill, press start, and let GrillBot do its thing while you relax with friends or family. The GrillBot is an innovative robotic device designed specifically for cleaning barbecues. Its powerful brushes, driven by a sophisticated CPU chip, remove stubborn grease and burnt food particles without damaging the surface of your grill or leaving behind any streaks or residue. This means no more scrubbing with dirty hands or using harsh chemicals on your food grill. How amazing is that? 6. BISSELL CrossWave 3-in-1 Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner. Cleaning your floors is a chore, but it doesn't have to be. The BISSELL CrossWave 3-in-1 Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner is the perfect solution for busy people who want to clean their homes quickly and easily. It vacuums and washes at the same time, so you can clean faster and easier than ever before and get back to doing what matters most. You'll never need another vacuum or mop again. You won't have to worry about lugging around heavy equipment anymore because this powerful machine does it all. With CrossWave's digital touch controls, cleaning has never been more intuitive and convenient. Plus, its pivoting head makes it easy to maneuver under furniture with ease. No more getting on your hands and knees to scrub away dirt from hard-to-reach corners. Get the CrossWave 3-in-1 multi-surface floor cleaner for a limited time price of £215.95. 5. Limey Tap Descaling Gadget. Is your tap covered in limescale? Limey Tap Descaling Gadget is the perfect solution for removing limescale from your taps without damaging surfaces like chrome or stainless steel. The problem with limescale is that it takes time to break down, and some areas of the nozzle are not accessible with the brush. There isn't any quick fix out there which can get limescale from the outside and the inside of the tap as well at an affordable price. With Limey, limescale can be removed easily with no scrubbing or chemicals needed, as you can put some white vinegar in it and let the tap soak for a bit, as the solution will work its way into the nozzle of your tap and dissolve away that nasty buildup. Recommended by cleaning and plumbing professionals, this gadget will help you get rid of that pesky limescale for good. Buy one for yourself for only $4.99. 4. The Homitt Spin Electric and Cordless Scrubbing Brush. You deserve a clean home. The Homitt Spin Scrubber is the perfect tool for your home. It's powerful and noiseless, making it perfect for those who need to clean their house without waking up the whole neighborhood. And with 4 detachable heads, you can scrub every inch of your floor, sink, or bathtub in just minutes. It's cordless, so it can go anywhere and get into all those hard-to-reach places. It also has a 21-inch extendable handle, so you can reach high places without having to climb up onto chairs or ladders. The Homitt Spin Scrubber has a high-speed spinning power that will scrub away dirt in seconds. Plus, it's rechargeable and lasts up to 50 minutes on one charge. This product is perfect for anyone who wants their home to be spotless, but doesn't want to spend hours and so much effort doing it. Buy one today for only £59.99. 3. AIEVE Radiator Cleaner Brush. Cleaning your radiator is a pain. The AIEVE Radiator Cleaner Brush makes it easy to clean the dust out of your radiators without getting on all fours and scrubbing with a toothbrush. It's flexible metal, so it can get into those hard-to-reach places, and its nylon bristles are soft enough for delicate surfaces but tough enough to tackle stubborn dirt. Plus, the anti-scratch rubber protection protects furniture from scratches while you work. You deserve an easier life. That's why AIEVE made this brush. Because cleaning shouldn't be such a chore. So go ahead and buy one today. They make great gifts too. Only £10.99. 2. Laundry Lasso. Are you tired of your washer smelling like mold and mildew? It makes your clothes smell bad when they've come out of the wash cycle. You've tried using different detergents to get rid of this problem, but nothing works for long. The mold always comes back after just a few loads. Keeping the washer door open doesn't work either, because the door swings free and clutters up your laundry room. Laundry Lasso is the solution. It's easy to install and prevents mold and mildew from growing inside your machine, as it keeps your washing machine door open. Your clothes will smell fresh every time you take them out. No more running into washing machine doors and no more smelly clothes. Purchase one today for only £20.18. 1. OPOLAR 2-in-1 Cordless Vacuum and Compressed Air Duster. This gadget is the perfect solution for cleaning hard-to-reach dusty areas, like inside your computer, drawers, keyboard, or your car. It's small enough to fit in your glove compartment or any shelf at home, but powerful enough to clean up any mess and dust. Its dual modes of blowing and suction is so smart, as some areas cannot be cleaned but only dusted off. Areas like inside your computer and ventilation fans. Plus, this product has a rechargeable battery that only takes 3 hours to fully charge, meaning you can have a full 30 minutes of continuous operation on the highest output state before needing another charge. And because it comes with double brush nozzles, you won't need any other tools when using this device. You'll be able to get everything done faster than ever before. This gadget is so useful. Order now for only $99.99. What gadget will you get this spring? Let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to press the like button. Thanks for subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell so you'll never miss a video. As always, thanks for watching.